Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, May 17th. The Zen story today is titled The Other Side of the River. The river stretched wide before him, its currents twisting and churning. A young monk stood at the edge of the water, staring at the impossible distance. How would he ever cross? For hours he paced the bank, searching for a way forward. No bridge, no boat. No stones to step across. No hope. He sighed and slumped onto a hefty rock, burying his face in his hands. Then from across the river a voice called out, "Why do you look so troubled?" The young monk looked up. On the far bank an old teacher stood, watching him. Relief flooded his chest. If anyone could guide him, it was this man. "Master," he called, "how do I get to the other side?" The teacher glanced up and down the river and then smiled. "My son," he said, "you are on the other side." The wind stirred the water. The current did not change. The young monk stood still. The river was no smaller than before. The distance had not lessened. And yet, for the first time, he wondered if there had ever been a journey to make at all. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What if the obstacles you see are only a matter of perspective? What if the obstacles you see are only a matter of perspective? What happens when you stop searching for the other side and look at where you already are? What happens when you stop searching for the other side and look at where you already are? Now bring to mind a problem you're trying to resolve. Look at it from another angle. What else is true? What else is possible? And now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And as a reminder, I'm putting these reflections and suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group, so check them out. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.